Hello Bladers! GPS trackers are portable and convenient devices that allow fleet managers, parents, and vehicle owners of all kinds to monitor and track their vehicle. Real-time GPS trackers for cars can provide instantaneous speed and location data, while less expensive options record this type of information for later use. Welcome to our Daily Drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Where is the GPS tracker located? GPS trackers. The GPS trackers you find in the market these days usually fall into one of these two basic categories, which are passive and active. The dangers of GPS tracker misuse. There are possible cons in having a GPS tracker. For example, if someone were to install an active type GPS tracker on your car, it can get really bad for you. The perpetrator will be able to see your real-time location on a cell phone, tablet, or computer. Depending on the devices used in the act, the user may also be able to see the previous places you've been to. They may also be able to view other info like how fast you're going, as well as other info that should be exclusive to you only. Creepy, right? Another is that with a passive GPS tracker installed in your car, the perpetrator won't have access to your real-time location. However, they can still view the recorded info once they get a hold of the device. Upon retrieval, they will most likely be able to get info on your previous whereabouts. This can also include other info mentioned earlier. There are GPS hidden trackers that are specifically designed to get power from the vehicle's electrical system. There are also other trackers that come with batteries. These are way harder to detect, especially if you never expected anyone to put a tracker in your car. But with the help of a professional, you will most likely get this sorted out. How can you locate hidden GPS trackers in your car? If you suddenly feel uneasy and you have the feeling that someone might have rigged your car with a GPS tracker, you will need a few basic tools. This will include your trusted mechanic's mirror, a flashlight, and a creeper mat. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.